Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're a Snapchat user who's been hitting that frustrating, declined card error, especially with the 2025 updates, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix this issue step by step, so you can get back to snapping and chatting without any payment hassles. This problem often pops up due to simple glitches, outdated app versions, or issues with your bank, but don't worry, I've got easy solutions for you. First things first, double-check your card details in the Snapchat app. Go to your profile, tap on Settings, and head to the Payment section. Make sure the card number, expiration date, and CVV are entered correctly. Typos are a common culprit, so verify everything matches your physical card. Next, ensure your card has sufficient funds and isn't expired or frozen. Log into your bank's app or website to confirm your balance and check for any holds. If everything looks good there, try updating Snapchat to the latest 2025 version. App updates often fix bugs that cause payment errors. Just go to your device's app store, search for Snapchat, and hit update. If that doesn't work, clear the app's cache and data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Snapchat, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, offload the app and reinstall it. This refreshes the app and can resolve temporary glitches. Still stuck? Contact your bank to confirm if they're blocking the transaction. Sometimes, banks flag Snapchat payments as suspicious, so ask them to review and approve it. As a last resort, switch to a different payment method, like adding a new card or using Snapchat's integrated wallet if available in 2025. There you have it. Simple steps to banish the declined card error for good. Remember, technology can be finicky, so patience is key. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.